This video helps you navigate each section to optimize your account experience in BiblioAuthor. Hi, author. Welcome to your dashboard. Explore where to upload your new titles, your books under processing and publish, your orders, subscription status and history, address book, payment, and account details. My Upload section is where you upload your new titles or books. This is where your metadata is created, which will integrate across all Biblio platforms, including the plugin and apps for WordPress and Shopify. This Upload section helps you upload your book in a print-ready format, ready for mass production. My Book section is where your uploaded books sit. Here you can identify which books are live or still in printing. It only takes 72 hours before your book goes live. In this section, editing your live book is easy and free so long as it's not yet printing or there are no format changes. This is the All Order section where all your order details, including books, are located. Easy, transparent, and convenient if you want to keep tabs with your budget. This is your Subscription section where you can keep track of your active subscriptions and your purchase title credits. The Addresses section is where you can place your billing and shipping address. The Payment section is where you could add a payment method for future use to provide smooth transaction without typing in your details each and every purchase. Your Account Details section is where you manage your account credentials. You have finished exploring your accounts page. This is where all the magic happens when uploading and publishing your book. BiblioAuthor, powered by BiblioMax.